which indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, premium sound system, hill assist system, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.